Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my video is on safe motherhood. As we all know, a healthy mother gives birth to a healthy child. So for this, every pregnant woman should go for at least 4 ANC checkups. That is antenatal care checkup during 9 months of her pregnancy. Once you get UPT positive, first thing should be done to go nearby government health center and register herself. This will help you to get know about your next ANCs, about any risk and also tracking of your child till immunization. And also you will get benefit of government policies if any. Total 4 ANCs should be complete by every pregnant woman, which is as follows. First ANC when you get positive UPT till 12th week, means up to 3rd month of your pregnancy. Second ANC will be from 4th to 6th month, and third one is from 7th to 8th month of pregnancy, and fourth will be on 9th month, that is the full term. These ANCs help you and your child to be healthy and safe from complications. These ANCs include your blood, urine test, BP, weight measurement and abdominal examination. Also to know about your iron folic acid tablets and tetanus toxoid injection status, and if needed then to go for higher consultancy. In urine examination, albumin and sugar level will be examined as it helps you and your child to be safe from any other complications. Blood examination also done to check your hemoglobin level, as at least it should be 9 gram per dl, and also tested other blood diseases. HIV, HBsAg and HCV also tested during these blood examination as to get know about any infectious or STD diseases. Weight of pregnant woman done during every ANC, as total weight gain should be up to 9 to 11 kg during 9 months. BP measured during each ANC, that is blood pressure, as high blood pressure will risk you and your child. Abdominal examination should be done during each ANC, as it shows your child growth and health status of your child. During these 9-month pregnancy, a pregnant woman should take at least 2 tetanus toxoid injection with the gap of 1 month, and it help both child and mother from the tetanus. These 2 TT when it's your first pregnancy, and if your second one is within the 3 year of first one, then only 1 tetanus toxoid injection given during your second pregnancy. 1 dose of albendazole 400 mg tablet given during second ANC for deworming. 1 tablet of iron folic acid help to prevent anemia and also help to give birth of a healthy child. So every woman should take iron folic acid from the 4th month of pregnancy. Every pregnant woman should take calcium and vitamin D3 tablets 2 times in a day from 14th week of pregnancy till 6th month after delivery, as calcium helps your uterus for development and also repositioning after your delivery. 1 tablet of calcium after lunch and 1 tablet after dinner. Both tablets of calcium should not be taken together. Calcium tablets should not be taken empty stomach, so you should always take food before calcium tablet. Calcium and iron folic acid tablets should not be taken together. Now I am going to talk about diet during pregnancy. As you know, nutrition is important for health, so every pregnant woman should eat more than 2 times in a day, as now she has one more life that needed to be fed. Milk products like milk, curd, cheese should be taken, as they are the rich source of calcium, protein, vitamin. Fresh fruit, vegetables, cereals, pulses are also rich source of protein, so they are also needed to be taken. Green leafy vegetables are rich in iron and folic acid, as it helps us to prevent anemia. Vegetarian peoples should eat at least 45 gram peanut and 2 cup pulses as it complete their daily protein requirement. And egg, meat, fish, chicken are the good source of protein, vitamin, iron as we know, and these help non-vegetarian people to fulfill their diet during pregnancy. Nutritious food will help your child to grow and also prevent anemia. Here are various rich sources of essential nutrients like iron, calcium, vitamin, protein, fat. Cleanliness also play an important role to give birth a healthy child. So it would be needed for every pregnant woman to take care her cleanliness. Rest during pregnancy. As we know, at least 8 hours good sleep is needed for every person for her or his mental health. So for pregnant women, at least 8 hours sleep and 2 hours rest in daytime is needed. Pregnant women should sleep on left side as it increases blood supply to a child. It's left side of pregnant woman. Avoid heavy work duties. Good sleep and rest prevent physical as well as mental stress, and it will good for both mother and child. Family support is also equally important along with other these points which I have discussed earlier to give birth to a healthy child. They should also take care of your food and also take you for regular ANC checkups. Like and share the video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. There are some signs and symptoms during these 9 months of pregnancy that will gonna be risky for you and your child. So if you feel any kind of sign and symptom which are as follows, you can immediately contact your nearby primary health center and also nearby community health to get proper treatment in a timely manner so that it will not to risk you and your child life. Some are like severe pain before 9 months. If you feel, then contact to gynecologist or a medical officer. If you feel weakness, fatigue, shortness of breath, and if you see any vaginal bleeding and swelling of feet and hands, then also you needed to consult. If you have any epileptic fit during this time or a fever, don't take any medication or don't do any self medication during this period. Always consult medical officer and then only take the medicine which was prescribed. This is all about ANC, means antenatal care checkup, which has to be done by pregnant woman during her 9-month pregnancy. I hope you like my video, and if any query, please comment me. Also do like, share, comment my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.